Hello and welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video, we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT as a product management tool. So here guys, now today's world, everyone is talking about AI, artificial intelligence. So in this video, we are going to discuss how you can use ChatGPT for product management as a tool. And here guys, all the project managers out there, we will discuss what are the common problems which you can face and then what are the things you can solve with ChatGPT and AI. So let's begin. The first thing what you can do with ChatGPT is to use it for new or creative ideas. Like whenever you have a new problem or new thing coming up, or you need some new creative idea or creative approach for something, you can use ChatGPT for it. You can give a prompt like with your problem or the questions which you have, and then in outcome, you can get a new or creative way of doing that, of developing your product. It can be related to a customer query, a problem which you are facing, or while developing a new feature in your product or service. Let's move to the second point, and that is customer service. You can use ChatGPT for your customer service, for example, for FAQs, like the frequently asked question which you get from your customer on a regular basis. You can use ChatGPT to answer those questions in a better way for your customer service. In this way, you can actually automate the process with the ChatGPT and save the manpower of your customer support and invest it somewhere else more valuable. Moving ahead to the third point, and that is market research. So you can provide some market research, some market analysis, or the customer feedbacks which you are getting to ChatGPT, and on that basis, you can get an analysis or complete market research that how your product is performing. What are the pros, what are the cons, what are the features the customers are loving, or what are the issues the customers are facing in a regular basis. So in this way, you can add all of those details to ChatGPT and use it to analyze that data and get a valuable outcome from it. Moving ahead to the fourth point, and that is product recommendation. Now, if you have some kind of product or if you are developing some kind of product which has multiple categories, let's take an example, like you have a skincare product which you are selling online. Now, every customer, every user which comes to you have a different skin type, and you want to recommend the product which is best for them as per their requirement, their skin type. So in that case as well, you can use ChatGPT and AI, and you can start recommending your customers the best product which you have for them. In this way, you can actually get or provide a personalized response to your customer, and they can get the best of product you have. Moving to the last thing but not the least is content generation. Now, while product creating or marketing a product, it is very important to add some content like blogs, posts, some product description, or social media posts on the internet. So you can use ChatGPT to generate some unique or creative content for your blogs, your posts, or product description, and then you can use that content to post new posts on your social media platforms. So in this way, content generation is one of the key factors why ChatGPT is used nowadays, and you can use in your product development as well. So these were the top 5 things for which you can use ChatGPT as a product development tool, product management tool. But other than that, the possibilities are endless. So here right now we have discussed the possibilities of AI as a product management tool. But you can combine the power of AI with the power of automation using Pabbly Connect, and you can actually automate all of this process as well. So AI is going to do the work for you, and that too automatically. This is best of both the worlds. So if you want to learn how you can do that, you can check out our YouTube channel now, Pabbly, or if you have any doubts or queries, you can write us in the comment box below. So this is it for today's video guys. Thank you. Have a great day.